Welcome back, Body Rockers. It's Jessica here for another 12-minute abs and ass workout. So today we're going to do 4 exercises. We're going to do 50 seconds on and 10 seconds rest. It only takes 12 minutes, so you can do it on your lunch break, you can do it outside, you can do it at home. It's no excuses, you have to do it. It's 12 minutes. Okay, so the first exercise we're going to do is a lateral lunge. So we're going to start with our feet in the middle, so shoulder width apart, and then we're going to step out to the side. We're going to do one side at a time, so 25 seconds each side. So you're going to take a big step out, and then you're going to sit back into that lunge. So you really want to push your butt back and step into that heel. You don't have to go, if you can't go this low, just go to wherever you're comfortable with. When I first started, I couldn't get that low. I could only get to here. So just keep practicing until you can get lower. So you don't force yourself down because you could hurt yourself. So we're going to start the timer, and we're going to start in 10 seconds. So remember, we're starting with both feet in the middle. Once that timer starts in 5 seconds, we're going to start. I'm going to start on this side. You can start whatever side you want. So big step out, really sit back, and then back to the beginning. 25 seconds each side. Try and keep this leg nice and straight as you go down, almost like you feel a stretch here in your inner thigh. Back to the middle, and try and sit as low as you can, but don't force yourself. If you can't go that low, just go as low as you can and at your own pace. Or you could hold, maybe have a wall here that you could hold on to for support. Okay, time to switch sides. Okay, good. Same thing on this side. Sit back, feel that stretch, keep that leg nice and straight.
So you really struggled with this when you first started?
Yeah, when I first started, I hated these. When my trainer would make me do them, I really hated them because I couldn't get that far. But the only way you're gonna get better is by keep practicing. So even if you hate it, you have to keep trying, and then eventually you can get lower. Okay, next workout we're gonna do is good mornings. Well, next exercise. So it's similar to the deadlift. We're gonna stick our hips back, just like someone has a rope here and they're pulling your hip. You wanna keep your chest out, your back nice and straight and neutral. So you can put your hands behind your ears like this, stick your butt back, keep a nice flat back, make sure it's not arching, and then back up. You should feel this mostly here in your glutes, a little bit on your hamstrings. You'll feel like a pull, a stretch here. And then back up. Keep your core tight, keep your chest out, really exaggerate and stick that butt back with a nice flat back. If you wanted to make this hard, or if you're doing this in a gym, you would have a barbell on your back and you would add weight. That would make it a lot harder. But even just body weight, this is a good exercise to do. And done. Okay, next up we're gonna do our leg raises. So we're gonna put one leg behind, this leg straight out. You're gonna lay onto your elbow here, and we're just gonna lift this up high with a nice straight leg. Keep your toes facing forward. This is gonna be working your hips, your hip flexors, and the side of your booty. 25 seconds each side. Obviously, you can make this harder with ankle weights on, which we have over here. We're gonna be using them for our ab exercise too. Okay, 25 seconds, we're gonna switch sides. So same thing on this side, bend that knee, have that leg go straight up into the air with your toes facing forward.
This is such a classic move, eh?
Yeah, I feel like those fitness instructors like from back in the day, from like those music videos. With the headband, I could use a headband right now. To block the sweat from coming into my eyes. Okay, now we're gonna stay on the ground because we're gonna finish off with abs like we always do. So we're gonna grab our ankle weights. Well, these are wrist weights. We're gonna put our hands through so they're easy to hold. We're gonna be doing dead bugs. So feet up, you're gonna have your legs bent, and we're gonna do opposite arm and leg. You're gonna extend it down as low as you can, and then back up to the middle. Same thing on the other side. This one always confuses people at first because they don't know which arm and leg to put down, and it's really funny to see, but then they start to understand it the more they do it. It's always opposite arm, opposite leg. Try and keep it nice and straight and go down low as you can. Breathe, keep your core tight. The weights will definitely make this harder. We have 10 seconds left. Keep the core tight. 5 seconds, let's see how many we can get in before the time is up. And one more. Okay, round one done. Not too bad.
Nice.
We're gonna stand back up. We're gonna start with our lateral lunges again. So feet shoulder width apart. We're gonna start, big step out, sit back into that lunge, and then back up to the middle. You can have your hands on your side or you can have them in front of you, whatever helps you balance. And like I said, you don't have to go so low, or you could hold on to something for support.
Did you start to like this exercise once you started getting good at it?
Yeah, like you always like stuff when you're better at it. When you suck at it, you don't like to do it. But that's the only way you're gonna get better. But now I actually like it. I know it's hard because it's such a weird movement. Other side, we don't like ever go side to side. We always go back and forth. So, but the more you practice, the better, and the lower you can go. You'll get more flexible. Okay, we're done. That was pretty fast.
Whoa.
Okay, next up is our good mornings. So we're starting in 5 seconds. Get ready, stand up nice and tall, hands behind your ears, feet shoulder width apart, stick that butt back. You can have obviously a slight bend in your knee, you don't want them completely straight. Really stick those hips back, keep your chest out, have a nice flat back. So you feel that stretch, you should feel it in your glutes. And then back up. Push your butt back as far as you can so you'll feel that good stretch. I feel it right here. And then back up. It's good to learn how to do these hinging motions because usually we're used to just squatting. So people find it hard to do deadlifts because you have to hinge. We're good mornings. Okay, we're almost done. Let's try and get a couple more. You don't have to rush these because it's better to do them properly than to just rush and try and do as many as you can.
You can really see your abs engaging at the top too.
Yeah, every time, I love deadlifts, it's full body. So every time I do them, my abs like pop out. That's why I love them too. So it's working legs and abs. Okay, next up is we have to get on the ground. We're doing our leg raises. We're talking about abs too much, I get excited. So legs straight, toes facing forward, really lift it up. It's like our classic exercise here from those fitness videos, but you'll feel it a lot in the side. It's good for your hips.
I mean, when you first started, were you even thinking about abs? Were you just thinking about getting fit?
Yeah, switch sides. I wasn't thinking about, I never thought I would have abs. I literally just wanted to lose like some weight. That's it. But the abs came like last. And then I was I love them. now they're my favorite thing. Because they're so hard to get, so when you have them, like you're super proud that you have abs. But they just came on their own. Just stay consistent and eat right, and your abs will just come. Okay, next, speaking of abs, we're doing our last exercise, our dead bug. So grab your weights, put your hands through them, back onto your back, legs up, knees bent, and extend opposite arm and leg out as low as you can, and then back up. Keep your core tight and get that leg down as straight and low as possible. We have 30 seconds. You don't have to rush these. You could do them at your own pace. Get that leg down. Okay, we have 15 seconds left. Then we just have one more round and we have another 12-minute workout completed. Okay, 5 seconds. 3 seconds. And done. Okay, good. We have one more round. Who would have thought that 12-minute workouts could get you this sweaty? You think you'd have to work out for like 2 hours to get this sweaty. But these are really good. Okay, back to our lateral lunges. So last round. Let's try and get some good lunges in. So sit back nice and low. Back to the beginning. Keep this leg nice and straight. Breathe. Keep your core tight. We're almost done. We have 5 seconds left on this side. One more, and then we're going to switch sides. Okay, other side. Same thing. Nice and low. Last round. We got to finish strong. Okay, 14 seconds. You really feel that at the side of your booty. Okay, 5 seconds left. And then we're going to start our good mornings. Okay, good. Done. So back to our good mornings, feet shoulder width apart. Really stick that butt back as far as you can until you feel that stretch. Keep your core tight, chest up, back nice and flat. So I just like to put my hands here behind my ears, stick my butt back, and then back up straight. Go until you feel that good stretch, and then back up. Slight bend in your knees, so you don't want your legs completely straight. You could have a little bend here. Back up, really push those hips back. And back up, and keep your core nice and tight. We have 15 seconds. These are good practice before you do real deadlifts or start lifting really heavy. Practice with body weight or with the band. Okay, done. Next, we're gonna go back to the ground. We're gonna do our leg raises. So this leg just bent behind us. Our legs out straight, toes are facing forward. We're just gonna lift it up. Hold it up there for a second. You're gonna feel this in the side of your booty and your hips. We're gonna do 25 seconds each side. So we have 10 more seconds left on this side. 5 more seconds. And we're gonna switch. Last round. Let's go. After this, we have our last abs, our dead bugs, and then we're done, our 12-minute workout. It wasn't so bad.
It actually seemed to go fast.
Yeah, they kind of go fast now. I mean, well, you're still sweating a lot and dying while you're doing them, but it's a good workout for 12 minutes. All right, we're gonna grab our weights. We're gonna lay out to our back. So feet up, arms out straight, and extend opposite arm and leg. Come on, last round of dead bugs. And then we're done for the day. It only took 12 minutes, it's not bad. So you could literally do this anywhere. You could do this outside at a park. You could do it on your lunch break, in your house.
In the elevator?
In the elevator, yeah, just lay on the ground and start doing dead bugs. Someone might call the police, but. Okay, we have 20 seconds. Just sneak out of work, go to the washroom. 12 minutes. Get a workout in. 10 seconds left. It's getting hard now. The last round is always the hardest. Keep your core tight. 3 seconds. Let's get one more in.
Activity completed.
And we're done. Okay, well, thanks for completing another 12-minute abs and ass workout with me. I think that was pretty good for 12 minutes. I always end up leaving sweaty and tired, so.
And your abs are actually.
And my abs are out. So obviously, it must have did something. So thanks for tuning in to BodyRock.